I've been looking after this sick little pigeon. Been feeding him and looking after him for about a week, and he's getting better, but he lived outside. He couldn't fly, and I built him a little shelter and he used to live in there. Yesterday I came out to look for him, and I couldn't find him, so I walked up the garden to the back and I found all these feathers. That poor little chap. Hawk must have got him. Feathers everywhere. He was a lovely bird. He used to follow me around when I came out, looking for grub obviously, but really hacked me off, that did. He was getting better and he was starting to flap his wings again, and he would have been okay in about another week. And that, nature took its course, and lost my little mate. Never mind. That's it, that's life, isn't it? Here today, gone tomorrow. Very sad. There we go, see you later.